Namaste, this is Anand. Previously, we have discussed Asia as a whole, but now we are going to discuss a region of Asia, that is Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia. It is also known as East Indies, right? So, which region is Southeast Asia? Right? From here, from the Indo-China border, from here, this orange region, from here up to Australia, this whole region we call it as East Indies or Southeast Asia, right? So in Southeast Asia we find 11 countries. To understand the 11 countries easily, we divide them into two parts. One is the countries in Indo-China Peninsula, and the countries in Malay Archipelago. Right? In Indo-China Peninsula, we find 7 countries, and in Malay Archipelago, we find the remaining 4 countries. Right? In 7 countries, we learn 5 countries with a trick, and remaining 2 we find below them, to the south of them. Right? First, we discuss the Indo-China Peninsula. So, how do we represent those 5 countries with a trick? So, we draw, let's see. So, we draw a fish hook shape like this. Like this, we draw a shape. So, this fish hook covers the 5 countries. So, order-wise, we name by the first letters of these countries. We make a phrase to understand these 5 countries easily. Now, what is it? It is Mya Kavila. Right? So, Mya for this one. This is Myanmar. Mya for Myanmar. Myanmar's old name was Burma. Right? So, and this Myanmar is the largest country in the Indo-China Peninsula. Largest in Indo-China Peninsula. Now, what is Indo-China Peninsula? Indo-China Peninsula is nothing but from here to this total. This whole peninsula is known as Indo-China Peninsula, right? So, next we find Ta for Thailand. This one. This is Thailand. So, Thailand is also known as the land of white elephants. It is also known as the land of white elephants.
Write it bigger.
Okay. So, the white elephants, it is a symbol of royal power of this country. Right? Royal power. Symbol of royal power of Thailand. Right? Next comes Ka. Ka for this one. This is Cambodia. Right? Cambodia. Here in Cambodia, we find the largest Hindu temple in the world. That is what? It is Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat. Right? So, next comes V for this one, Vietnam. So, Vietnam is the easternmost country in this peninsula. It is the easternmost country in the Indo-China Peninsula, right? So, next comes La for Laos. This one, it is Laos. So, Laos is the only landlocked country in the Indo-China Peninsula. Now, what is known as landlocked country? Landlocked country is nothing but a country which do not have any seashore, right? any sea coast. So we have completed the 5 countries with a phrase. What is it? It is Myata Kavila, right? So we have completed these 5 countries, and remaining 2 are situated to the south of it. So what are those 2 countries? One is this one and one is this one. What is this? This is Malaysia. Malaysia has both parts. This part is Malaysia and also this part is Malaysia. Western part of Malaysia, the western part of Malaysia is situated in the Indochina Peninsula, and the eastern part of Malaysia is situated on the Borneo Island, right, which comes under the Malay Archipelago. Next, the second country is this one. What is this? This is Singapore. Singapore is the only island city nation. It is the only island city nation in the world, right? So we have completed the Indochina Peninsula, the countries in the Indochina Peninsula. Now what comes next? Malay Archipelago comes next. So let's move on to Malay Archipelago. Now what is Malay Archipelago? From this whole islands is known as Malay Archipelago. Like sometimes we do not consider Papua New Guinea into it, and sometimes we consider. Right, now let's discuss about a major country in this Malay Archipelago. It is this one, Indonesia.
How many colors are there?
Yeah. So only how many colors do we see here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Green, orange, yellow and red. So only 4 colors. So 4 countries are only there in the Malay Archipelago. Actually, Malaysia also comes under this, but already we have discussed it in the Indochina Peninsula, right? So 4 countries. One is Indonesia. The whole yellow color part is known as Indonesia. So the actual question is, what is the largest island in Indonesia? Well, what do we have here? The largest island, country's largest island? Welcome to the largest island in Indonesia competition. Let's see the participants, shall we? Alright, so the first one is this island. This is the New Guinea island. Wow, a tough competitor. Second largest island in the world. And this island is Borneo Island. Another tough one. This is the third largest island in the world. This competition is going to be tough then. And this island is the Sumatra Island. Great. And the winner is, being the largest among the 3, it's definitely New Guinea. No, you got it wrong. New Guinea Island is shared by Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. So, it is out. Well then, it's Borneo for sure. You're wrong once again. Borneo Island is shared by 3 countries. Brunei, Malaysia and Indonesia. Well, as a matter of fact, that part of Indonesia is Kalimantan. So, it is out too. So, it's Sumatra. Now you got it. So folks, Sumatra is the largest island in Indonesia. We also have many major islands in Indonesia. Now let's look at them. Here we find Sumatra. This is Java. Then here this is Bali. This is Sulawesi. Actually Sulawesi, it was earlier named as Celebes by a Portuguese explorer. But locally it is known as Sulawesi, right? And this one, it is Western New Guinea. These are the major islands, and this one, it is Timor Island, right? So we have completed Indonesia. How many countries have we completed? Brunei, Indonesia. Then here comes on the Timor Island, we find East Timor. East Timor country. It is also known as Timor-Leste. Now why East Timor? Because it is situated on the eastern part of Timor Island. So it is known as East Timor, right? So 1, 2, 3 countries. Now what is the 4th country? It is in green color. This is Philippines, right? So the largest, this is Philippines. And one more point in Indonesia. Indonesia is the largest island country in the world with more than 17,000 islands, right? And Philippines, it has more than 7,000 islands. And among the 7,000 islands, what is the largest one? It is Luzon. This island is Luzon Island. This is the largest island in Philippines. And right, so we have completed the countries on Malay archipelago too. So now let's discuss about the capital cities. Okay, alright. Let's move on to capital cities. So first, the Indo-China Peninsula. Myanmar, it is this one. What is it? It is Naypyidaw. The old capital city of Myanmar was this one. This is Yangon. Actually, Myanmar capital city is Naypyidaw, but its most popular city in Myanmar is Yangon. Right? Coming to Thailand, we find this one. It is Bangkok. And in Cambodia, we find this one. It is Phnom Penh. Then in Vietnam, this is Hanoi. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam, but the most popular city in Vietnam is this one. It is Ho Chi Minh. Next in Laos,
We call Saigon.
yeah, Ho Chi Minh is also known as Saigon, right? So next, coming to Laos, the capital city of Laos is Vientiane, right? So next, let's come to Malay archipelago. Indonesia, it is Jakarta. Jakarta is situated in the Java Island. So Java Island is the most populous island in the world. Also Indonesia, right? Brunei, this one, it is Bandar Seri Beguan. Malaysia, it is Kuala Lumpur. Singapore, right? In East Timor, this is Delhi. Philippines, Manila, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 capitals in the Malay archipelago, right? So we have also completed the capital cities. Now let's look at a few major seas. Right here we find the South China Sea. Right, this total,
Why do we call South China Sea?
because it is situated south of China. Then here we find Philippine Sea. Right, here we find Banda Sea. And here we find Celebes Sea. Celebes Sea was named after the Celebes Island, which is situated south of it. Next, here comes Java Sea. And here we find Andaman Sea. Right, here we find Gulf of Thailand. Right, and here we find the longest strait in the world. Now what is it? It is the Malacca Strait. Right, now what is the longest strait in the world? It is Malacca Strait, right?
Where is it located?
Yeah, it is located between the western part of Malaysia and the Sumatra Island. It is located between western part of Malaysia and Sumatra Island. This strait is known as Malacca Strait, which is the longest strait. Right, next, yeah. So we have completed the seas, the water bodies too. Now let's look at rivers. Major rivers on the Indo-China Peninsula. So first, now what is the longest river in the Southeast Asia? Yes, absolutely correct. It is this one, Mekong. Mekong River is the longest river in Southeast Asia. It flows, it starts in China, sources in China, and it sometimes acts as a border between Myanmar and Laos, then enters Laos, then acts as a border between Laos and Thailand. Then on the banks of the Mekong River, we find the capital city of Laos. Now what is it? It is Vientiane, right? It is situated on the banks of Mekong River. Then it flows on the border of Laos and Thailand. Then it re-enters Laos and enters Cambodia. And the capital city of Phnom Penh is situated on the banks of this Mekong River. And then it enters Vietnam and finally joins the South China Sea. Right? Next, another major...
How many countries does it flow?
Yeah, it flows 5 countries excluding China. China, right? China. Here Myanmar it flows. Laos. Here Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam.
How do you remember? Myathakavila, isn't it?
Yeah. All the countries in the Myathakavila sentence, the Mekong flows through all the countries in the Myathakavila word. Right? So next comes it only flows through Thailand, that is Chao Phraya river. It only flows through Thailand, and the capital city of Thailand, that is Bangkok, is situated on the banks of the Chao Phraya river. Right? Next comes this river. This is Salween river. This also starts in China. Its source is in China. Then it flows like this. Sometimes it flows parallel to the Mekong river. Then enters Myanmar. Then sometimes acts as a border between Thailand and Myanmar. Then re-enters Myanmar and finally joins in the Andaman Sea. Right? Now what is it? This is Salween river. Right? Next comes this river. Now what is this river? This is Irrawaddy river. Right? Irrawaddy river. So, right. Irrawaddy river, it only flows through Myanmar. It do not enter any other country. It flows like this. Right? Then its left mouth, the left mouth of the Irrawaddy river, Yangon, the old capital city of Myanmar, is situated on the banks of left mouth of Irrawaddy river, which means this is the left mouth of Irrawaddy river. Yangon is situated on the banks of left mouth. Right? So we have completed the major 4 rivers: Chao Phraya, Mekong, Salween and Irrawaddy. Now what is the longest among these? It is Mekong. Right? So we have completed the countries, capitals, major water bodies and the rivers. So we have finally completed the topic Southeast Asia or East Indies. So this is about Southeast Asia. Thank you.